checking out how we can make more money trading some of these assets right from here. We'll be using these two assets as an example. You're going to see how I'm going to analyze with it so that you too can also do the same thing from your end. Okay, but before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, um remember, if you have any question, kindly drop your question down there in the comment section. I will be there to reply you, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. Okay, so this is very, very important. So now let's go straight into what we have right here. Like I have been telling you in most of my videos, okay, I said the trend is always important whenever you are trading any of these assets. Okay, for instance, at this support zone, okay, this had been on downtrend for a while, but it got to this support zone, wasn't able to break out from there. So it started an uptrend since it was unable to break out from this support zone. Okay, there are two things that can happen from a major support or resistance zone. It is either there is a breakout or probably there is a turnaround in the trend. Okay, so this time around the breakout didn't work out, so there is there was a turnaround around here, and of course it went back into an uptrend. That is why this indicator gave us an uptrend signal, and if you should notice, it went straight into an uptrend till it got to this resistance zone. Okay, so when it got to this resistance zone, it was unable to break out from there also, so it went back on downtrend. You can see it gave us a downtrend signal and of course a sell signal, and it sold till it got to this region and went back up again, and this time around it sold again. And if you should notice, this actually got to this particular resistance zone at this point. Okay, that is why it didn't go more than that. Okay, so it gave us a downtrend signal right from here, and of course it went on a downtrend. And if you should notice, this gave us, it was giving us a bigger M picture, so it's going to sell for a very long time. That was the reason for breaking out below this particular support zone, and it's trying to target this particular support zone down here. So you can see, if you understand the trend very well and you know how to identify the trend very well, then definitely you will always milk the market successfully. That is why this indicator is programmed on that level. Okay, we actually made use of the trend to program this indicator, and of course it's able to give us the trend signal and of course the sell and buy signal also on the chart. Okay, so that is how fantastic the indicator is. Okay, so this is still selling right now, and we are most likely to have it at this point. And if it breaks out below this, then it's going to sell more. If it does not, it will change the trend right from there. Now let's check out this particular asset also. This is PNX 1200. At this point, it got to the support zone, and right from there it was unable to break out from there. So it's picked up from there and gave us an uptrend signal from here and a buy signal from there. So you can see it's bought till it got to the resistance zone. That is how sweet it is. Okay, this is 15-minute time frame. You can imagine you coming in right from here, guys. You coming in right from here, and of course it kept on buying and buying and buying till it got to the resistance zone. I think this is amazing, guys. And of course it has gotten to the resistance zone, it has not been able to break out from there, so it gave us a downtrend signal right from here also, and of course a sell signal at this point. Okay, so this had been selling since then, and it's still going to sell more. It just need to break out below this. Okay, because we are having a support region around there. That is why it has been playing around there for a while. So once it breaks out below that, it's going to sell more and may likely get to this particular spot. And if it breaks out from here, it will get to the base totally. Okay, so this is so unique, and that is why you need to understand all this. If you have a way to identify your trend, then it will be very easy to trade very well. If you don't know how to identify it, if you have an indicator that can help you to identify your trend, then it will help you very well in solving a lot of issues whenever you are doing your analysis. And if you don't have any of these at all, you can come for this trading tool and take advantage of this right from there. You can reach out to me via WhatsApp. Okay, So right here, it's my WhatsApp number. Okay, so you can reach out to me through my WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. So I will be stopping right here. Remember to give me a follow right now. Like this video and share this video with friends and family. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.